It's officially October. I believe it is the 4th today. And what that means is that it's prank season. And I told you on my latest video that I will link in the description. Faith tried to video bomb me and she's gonna get it. So, what we have here, nice little air horn. So, what we're gonna do is that she's sleeping. Alright, this is her and Emily. That's Emily. That's Faith. Both sleeping there. Welcome to prank season, folks. It's October. I told you I was gonna get you. Good morning. It is 9 a.m. in the Bean residence, and you just woke up via air horn. Congratulations, you won. Oh, it's perfect. So that was the tiny little prank that we used to kick off prank season here at the Bean House. Start of October, 10/4/14. Welcome to It's Been Real. Let's have some fun.